In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to join a Walmart Sam's Club membership. If you want to start shopping at Sam's Club, the sign-up process is pretty straightforward, and in this guide, I'll walk you through it clearly so you know exactly what to expect. To begin, go to the official Sam's Club website. Once you're there, the first thing you'll want to do is choose a membership plan. Sam's Club typically offers two main options. The club membership is the standard plan and gives you access to both in-club and online shopping. The Plus membership includes all of those standard benefits, along with extra perks like free shipping on eligible online orders over a certain amount, Sam's Cash on qualifying purchases, early shopping hours, and added savings on select services. Take a moment to compare the benefits so you can choose the option that best matches how often you shop and which perks matter most to you. Next, decide how you want to join. You can sign up online by visiting the official Sam's Club membership page and selecting Join, or you can enroll in person by going to the Member Services desk at a Sam's Club location. If you prefer handling everything digitally, the online is usually the fastest option. If you'd rather speak with someone directly, joining in-club may be more convenient. After that, complete the registration form. You'll be asked to provide your full name, mailing address, and other standard account details needed to create your membership. Make sure everything is entered carefully and accurately since this information will be tied to your account and membership records. Once your details are entered, select your preferred membership tier. Before moving on, review the annual membership fee along with the included benefits. This is a good time to double check that you've chosen the right plan before payment. Then add a payment method. Enter a valid credit or debit card to pay for the membership. You may also see the option to enroll in automatic renewal. If you want uninterrupted access year after year, that can be helpful, but make sure you choose the option that works best for you. When everything looks correct, review your information one final time and submit your registration. After your payment is processed, your membership becomes active. From there, you can access your membership card. One easy option is to download the Sam's Club app and use your digital membership card right away. If you prefer a physical card, you can visit a Sam's Club location with your membership number and a government-issued ID where available to get one issued, and that's it. Once your membership is active, you're ready to start shopping at Sam's Club online or in store.